Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, we're gonna be checking out SVE's 18 by 9 inch and 18 by 10 inch drag comp wheel designed for the 1994 to 2004 Mustangs. Let's check them out. All right, folks, so let's first talk about the backstory of how the 18 by 9 and 18 by 10 inch drag comp wheel came to fruition. Well, for those of you that remember, and if you don't remember, around November of 2020, we released the drag comp wheel that was marketed specifically for drag race applications. Well, this black coupe beside me right here kind of hung around the shop for a while, and it had those drag comp wheels on it for a long time. So we got to studying it, thinking about it. What the heck, man? An 18 by 9 inch front and an 18 by 10 inch rear wheel, that looked pretty damn good on these cars. So fast forward to today, here we are. We have an 18 by 9 and 18 by 10 inch option. We designed specifically for the 1994 to 2004 Mustangs, but with some alterations on the 79 and 93 Fox bodies, you can make these work as well. And we'll touch base on those fitment notes in just a moment. So the overall design of the drag comp wheel, like I said, we've extended on the drag comp family of wheel. So this 18 by 9 front and 18 by 10 inch wheel is gonna share the exact same overall design as the original drag comp wheel that we made intended for drag applications. It's rocking that multi-spoke design with a gloss black face, machine windows, machine lug holes, and then a lightly polished lip. The lip on the front wheel is inset just a little bit, and of course on the back wheel it has a little bit wider lip, which further exaggerates that staggered look. These wheels do have a clear coated finish, so cleaning them is going to be an absolute breeze. Now speaking of cleaning these drag comp wheels, I would not recommend any high alkaline based cleaners or degreasers or acid based cleaners. Stick to pH balanced formulas intended for wheels or a alkaline based cleaner that's specifically designed for clear coated wheels. These are constructed from aluminum using the low pressure cast technique. Just about every single OEM wheel ever made on production vehicles use this method. So the overall strength and integrity of this wheel, you're not gonna have any problems at all. All right, so now let's go ahead and talk about the specs for both the 18.9 front and the 18.10 rear. So the front wheel, obviously 18 inches in diameter. It's 9 inches wide. It's gonna have a positive 24 millimeters of offset, which is gonna give us 5.94 inches of back spacing, and for what it's worth, they're gonna weigh about 25.96 pounds without a tire. Now, if we take a look at the 18 by 10 rear wheel, it's 18 inches in diameter, it's 10 inches wide, it's gonna have an offset of positive 21 millimeters, which is gonna give us 6.33 inches of back spacing, and then without a tire, these are gonna tip the scale at 26.66 pounds. Before purchasing a set of 18.9, 18.10 drag comps, please thoroughly read the fitment notes on the product pages. There you're going to find all the information you need for 94 to 04 and 79 to 93 applications. All right, now as far as your buying option for the 18.9, 18.10 drag comp, you can purchase the wheels by themselves in a wheel only kit if you want to do your own thing when it comes to tires, or you can purchase one of the wheel and tire packages that are available on the site that will arrive at your door mounted, balanced, and ready to bolt onto the car. Like all of our SVE wheels, the 18.9, 18.10 drag comps are backed by a great warranty, and if you would like to know more information on that warranty, check out the product pages. All right, folks, so wrapping things up here, my final thoughts on the 18.9, 18.10 drag comps. It's good to see kind of a newer wheel hit the SVE catalog. Yes, this technically already existed with the OG drag comp that was marketed specifically for drag racing applications, but it's good to see it in more of a street trim. It's kind of what I'm calling it in an 18.9 and 18.10. So I think you're gonna like it. I like the hell out of these things. Y'all let us know what you think down in the comments, and if y'all appreciate and you value our commitment to the cars, like the video, subscribe to our channel, make sure those notifications are turned on. That way you don't miss any of our future uploads. And until we catch you in the next one, guys, y'all know what to do. For all things 94 to 04 Mustang and Fox body Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.